Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this Volkswagen Multivan Energetic. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 1.4 TSI petrol engine that works in tandem with a hybrid electric engine. This multivan comes finished in the lovely metallic paint colour Fortana Red and features a DSG Automatic gearbox. This multivan comes with some brilliant features all round and includes some 7 seats, perfect for grocery shopping or even on those larger family getaways. Across the front of the vehicle, it has a very stylish mesh style front bumper and comes with the IQ Light LED matrix dipped and main beam headlights, including separate LED daytime running lights. Down below, the vehicle sits on the very stylish 18-inch Toshiba alloy wheels, which are finished in an anthracite colour. This multivan boasts ease of use with its keyless entry and twin sliding power doors that can be operated from the key fob itself. On the rear tailgate, this vehicle comes with a rear view camera that will display in the cab, perfect for making all those parking manoeuvres with confidence. As well as the doors, this multivan's tailgate can also be operated from the key fob, behind which is a spacious load area or boot storage space. This can be increased or decreased with the rear bench moving forwards or backwards. Inside there is a 3-seater bench to the rear and 2 single seats with a lovely panoramic glass roof, perfect on those longer drives. Up front there are 2 similar single seats finished in the lovely raven black and sand colour coordination. This vehicle also includes navigation as well as a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.